Pausing, deleting, and stopping ad sets is fast and easy, but there's a few big mistakes you can make, so pay close attention. I'm in my ads manager. It's this URL if you're not already there. Any ads that are live will be toggled on, which is blue, and clicking the toggle turning it gray will pause the campaign, ad set, or ad, which will mean they're no longer displaying to people. If you pause a campaign, all ad sets and ads within that campaign will pause. If you pause an ad set, all ads within that ad set will pause, and if you pause an ad, just that ad will pause. Now here's where people mess up. If you're setting your budget at the ad set level, if you pause this ad set or pause all ads within the ad set, that ad set will not spend until it's turned back on. But if the ad set is on and at least one ad within that ad set is on too, Facebook will try to spend the full budget for that ad set, only spending it on the ads that are turned on. The same is true for the campaign level. If the campaign is on and it has at least one active ad set with at least one active ad, it will try to spend the full budget of whatever is turned on. If you want to spend less, you need to adjust the campaign or ad set budget. I found if I pause for less than 24 hours, it doesn't hurt the optimizations or reset the learning phase. Now, if you want to delete a campaign, ad set, or ad, you simply click the checkbox to the left and then click the trash can above. And if you're a little more zoomed in and can't see the trash can, you can find delete under more. It will have you confirm if you want to permanently delete one or multiple campaigns, ad sets, or ads that you select. But here's why I don't generally delete ads with one key exception. Ads contain fairly valuable data on who it showed it to, how ads and audiences performed, etc. And I want to have access to that info going forward. If you're following my advice and pausing rather than deleting campaigns you're not going to use anymore, here's the exact process to get that set up right. To make sure no one turns it on by mistake and will never run again, I will add archive to the beginning to the name of the campaign. Then I pause the campaign and every ad set and every ad within it. Then if anyone ever turned the campaign on by mistake, you'd also need to manually go and turn on every ad set and every ad in order for it to be live. There is one scenario where I will delete an ad. If Facebook disapproves an ad, the first step is always to appeal it to get them to approve the ad. After I work to get it approved, most of the time I will decide that since something caused Facebook to flag the ad, I will delete that ad and not use it again. Even if you're following Facebook rules and even if your ads get approved eventually, I found that certain ads will continue to be flagged by AI. Ads getting disapproved is a big headache, it could hurt your account and lead to a higher chance of getting banned, so to me it really isn't worth the risk. If you have these ads going, you really need to know how to scale your ads and campaigns that are working. There's an exact process where you take any campaign or ad that's doing well and make as much money as you can from it. And we cover exactly how to do that in this video here. Watch that one next.